Meet the Chefman electric kettle, your go-to solution for fast, safe, and stylish boiling. Hook, tired of waiting forever for your water to boil? This kettle gets the job done in just 3 minutes. With 1500 watts of power, it's perfect for tea, coffee, or instant noodles in no time. Safety's a priority. It has auto shutoff and boil dry protection, so you can boil with confidence. Its borosilicate glass body isn't just durable, it's stunning with blue LED lights during boiling. The removable lid and anti-scale filter make cleaning a breeze. Ready to upgrade your tea game? Check out the Chefman electric kettle now and bring speed and style to your kitchen. Say hello to convenience with the Comfy stainless steel electric kettle, a blend of speed, safety, and style. Hook. Imagine boiling water in under 7 minutes, because mornings shouldn't feel like a waiting game. Built with 304 food-grade stainless steel, it's safe, durable, and BPA-free. Its 1500-watt power ensures fast boiling, and the auto shutoff adds peace of mind. Designed for ease with a cool touch handle and a pop-up lid to prevent burns. The 360-degree swivel base makes it easy to grab and pour from any angle. Why settle for less? Click the link below to grab the Comfy kettle and make every sip effortless. Upgrade your mornings with the Oventi glass electric kettle, a bestseller for good reason. Hook. Need your coffee fast? This kettle boils 1.5 liters of water in just 7 minutes. Made of heat-tempered, stain-resistant glass for durability and style. Equipped with auto shutoff and boil dry protection, so it's worry-free. Its 360-degree rotary base and built-in cord storage keep your counter clutter-free. BPA-free materials ensure clean, safe water for every cup. Don't miss out. Click now to bring home the Aventi kettle, where speed meets elegance. Transform your tea and coffee routine with the Speed Boil electric kettle. Fast, safe, and stunning. Hook. Who has time to wait? Get boiling in an instant with this powerful 1,500-watt kettle. Auto shutoff and boil dry protection ensure safe operation every time. The 360-degree rotating base and cordless design make pouring a dream. With a durable borosilicate glass body, it resists stains and adds charm to your kitchen. Cleaning is easy with its wide mouth and built-in mesh filter. Ready for a kettle that does it all? Order the Speed Boil electric kettle today and sip smarter. Meet the Hamilton Beach electric tea kettle, your partner for fast and reliable boiling. Hook. Imagine boiling 1.7 liters of water faster than your microwave, because mornings should be easy. 1,500 watts power delivers rapid boiling for tea, coffee, or any hot beverage. Enjoy peace of mind with auto shutoff and boil dry protection. The durable stainless steel design is BPA-free and built to last. Its cordless serving and easy-to-view water window make every pour effortless. Simplify your life with the Hamilton Beach kettle. Click below to grab yours today and make every cup count.